after really long times, and for today I'm going to review these beautiful silicone molds by Modelones, and I'll be using some beautiful Modelones nail polishes that I also got from the website. If you want the links, I'll mention them in the links, and along with that I'll mention the link of the silicone molds as well. Okay, so let's get started. Why do we use silicone molds? So there are a lot of nail art accessories available in the market, but many of them are really expensive. You get like 50 pieces for a few bucks, and it can make them really expensive. And for someone who does their nail art as an hobby, it's difficult to buy different kinds of rhinestones and different kind of accessories, especially the mold ones like the bows and the flowers and the 3D designs. So for that you need these silicone molds, and they are quite cheap and they last like forever. Like I have been using a few molds for about a couple of years now, and they are still in perfect condition. Make sure to store them properly so that they last a really long time. Okay, so let's review these. I got this pack from Modelones. It's a pack of 3 silicone molds. It's a pack of 3 molds. These are really small, so you can store them properly in small plastic bags away from dust and debris. So these are 3 ones. This one is a beautiful bow mold, and it has different shapes of molds, you can see. Then this one is my favorite because it has a unicorn theme, magic theme. I suppose these are clouds or probably wings, but I think these are clouds. And there's a small unicorn, and this is the bigger unicorn, and then there's a star and a bigger star, and then there are wings, and it really looks pretty and very beautiful. Very small, so you can see these are really small, so you can fit them on your nail properly. And then this one is the flower theme one, and it has roses and different flowers, so you can choose them according to your liking. So let's start the process to do the silicone mold accessory designs. Okay, so first thing first, whenever you want a particular accessory or a 3D pattern in any special color that you are not able to find in the market, these molds are really helpful for it. So just grab a nail polish that you have and the color that you want. You can grab it, or maybe create one using clear gel polish or clear top coat, and mix different colors to create that particular color that you want. Maybe slightly darker shade of blue, or some light shade of blue with a hint of red, or any particular color that you're not able to find in the market in accessories. This is going to be helpful for you. So I'm going to use these Modelones gel polishes. This one is a glitter polish, this one is a pink, purple, red, and a color changing thermal nail polish. So I'll be using these different ones, and I'll show you how to do it. And another thing is that you need a detailing brush. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. So these are available in this small size. I have really tiny nail beds, and this is perfect for me because the accessory won't be very big and it will fit properly. So you can see there are small areas, openings, from which you fill the color and you cure it under a UV lamp. There are detailing inside as well, and it can be molded, folded. It's really strong and very durable. You can't break this thing unless until you're really harsh with it. Okay, so let's start. So using a detailing brush, I have picked up this glitter polish, gel polish, and I'm going to fill it inside this mold to add extra details. If you want to add some grading effect, or if you want some glitters, this is going to be great for it. Once done, start with the next color. You need really small quantity, not a lot, and then just fill it and push the color using your detailing brush so that it is in every corner like this, and then leave it for some time so that it gets in the shade properly, gets in each corner properly. So I have finished all of these, and you can see I have filled in the color, making sure there are no bubbles, or as much as I could do. This is the ribbon one, then this is the pony star, and bigger star and small star. And in this pony one, I mixed a little bit of glitter gel polish as well along with the color changing polish, so it looks a bit magical. Sorry. Now I have kept them for about 5 minutes so that the polish can level around properly, and since gel polishes are self-leveling, you can allow some time to them, and so that they are even on all places. So now we are going to cure them under UV light for about 60 to 90 seconds, giving them some extra time since the polish layers are a bit thick in this molds. So we are going to allow them 60 to 90 seconds. Let's cure and I will show you how to pop them. So we are done and these are cured properly, and all you have to do to pop them up is just hold the mold and press it like this and it will come out. This is how it looks. I see I have missed a few spots, but don't worry, these can be fixed with a little drop of gel polish and 30 seconds more curing. You can also add rhinestones to these places as well. So the next one is the star. This is how it turned out. It's really pretty. I'll make them in a different color next time. It's going to look really cute as well. So this is how it looks. You can create really beautiful mermaid patterns using these stars. The next one is this beautiful pink one, and this came out almost perfect with this small bubble. See how beautiful it looks. Then the next is this unicorn. Unicorn needs a bit cutting here and there. You can just tug it and remove using your I'm using my nails, but you can use your tweezers. It's as perfect as a unicorn. See how beautiful it looks. The glitters are showing. The glitters are showing in it. And then there's this tiny horn. It's so pretty. The bag is also beautiful. It's this size, really small, but you can create really pretty designs using these. And then the next one is rose one. It has a lot of detailing, so there is a scope of bubble forming as well, but I try to avoid it as much as possible. This is how it looks. There's this tiny portion where a small bubble formed. You see over here, but rest is just perfect, and it's so detailed. I'm going to use different shades to create a gradient effect in the rose next time. It's so pretty. This is how it looks. If you are someone who loves 3D nail designs, this is going to be your favorite tool for the next design. So these are some that I created, and then the next one is this pink. I'm going to use it for the short video that I'm going to create after some time, and this is how it looks. These are so beautiful and so colorful. and so much of detailing is there. This rose one especially, it has so much of detailing, and it is almost as if the market ones available. And you can use them, you can, like, over here there's some space, so you can add some glitter dots or some rhinestones in these spaces as well, and make them really stand out. These are going to be your favorite for the next nail art design. If you loved these molds and you want to buy them, you can get them from you can get them from Modelones website, and the nail polishes also are from Modelones, and they are not sticky. These Modelones nail polishes do not leave sticky residue, so these are perfect for the silicone molds. You can try them and you can use them, and I hope you are going to love them as well. It's super easy to use and very easy to create your charms at home and save a lot of money. Like, you already have a gel polish, why do you need more tools or spend more money? Just get these ones and they're going to last you forever. Like, get these different kinds of ones which have a lot of designs and patterns. You can create so many designs and accessories. Like, the sky is the limit for these. So get these instead of buying different accessories and charms which you are not going to use a lot. So get these, create your charms at home and use them for nail art design. And thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe and share it if you love it. Thank you for watching.